again, if we can walk away with anything, walk away with realizing the thing that we struggle with within, we are responsible for changing it. It's not our fault that our family is messed up. It's not our fault that our father walked, it's not our fault. You know what I mean? It's not our fault that we was dealt a hand.
That's how life is.
That's how life is, but it's our, right, you gotta deal with it. But it's our fault if what decisions we make from this point forward. And again, I want those who are gonna come to this class on Mondays and Fridays, absorb it, man. Because I'm a poor. It's hard for me to pour when I got people, like let's just say these group of mine.
With a hole in the cup.
You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all really want me. But you might have a good foe want to clown around. And y'all know I gotta stop. Then I'm like, yo, you got these nines that's trying to get it. And I gotta stop. But I'd rather have those who are ready to let me pour into them. And if you let me pour into you, I can almost guarantee you, I promise you, you can walk away with something. That's what I want to do. And so I want you to walk out of the classrooms and people see that whatever he's teaching, whatever he's talking about, I see it's working. I can see it in their behavior, it's changing. But it's hard to see when you go back to a classroom, even though you hate that teacher, even though you hate that class, even though you hate the person that you can walk by, you just forget, you throw everything away. And you're like, but we can control us. We can control us. Can't nobody, my church says stay positive, live life to the fullest, and only focus on the positive. Focus on the positive. Check this out. The first thing come to your mind when I say this, Father.
My dad be dead.
See, that's some older generation.
Chapo.
It's either our dads died, dad be not in our life,
Or in jail.
like, bro.
Father.
First your drug, prison.
First thing, prison. You said my name, Father.
My mom.
Your mom. Wow. Father and abusive. You saying Father. Big Father. Chapo. Father. Father. First thing come to mind.
His head.
The father. First thing come to mind. Military, father, abusive. And it's crazy because you'd be surprised how many of our fathers that was abusive to us, mainly because there was abuse as a kid as well.
Today, might not even get on in the streets.
Like when you say, how many people by show of hands say father abusive? By show of hands. Okay. What's that one thing you know you're afraid to change? That's a good one though. I really think that's a good one. Like when you say, man, like, yeah, I want to change, but I'm afraid to change, bro. Like, yo, I'm comfortable in it, but I'm not really that comfortable in it. Like I really know I need to change, but man, like I don't know.
Why people be afraid to change it is better for them.
Anybody?
Change like how?
It's a lot. Like it's like that's why when we talk about interpersonal skills, like when you talk about self, that's a lot of things within. What about you, Andy? What's that thing you feel like you're afraid to change?
I'm afraid to change. I'm never afraid to change. Like my change
For the better. Yeah. What about you? You don't know?
Well, it's like you change. Like you don't know if you're making the right decision or not until you make the decision right.
How many people by show of hands feel like, listen, there's something that I know I need to change to become better?
Not doing what you say you did.
Yeah, but imagine when you waste time doing it, how much time you could have been spending on something else doing it. Something else and executing and finishing it. You know what I mean? And so that's my biggest problem. So I'm working on that. So the next one, I'm gonna holler out the name, I'm gonna holler it out, and you say the first thing that comes to mind. Mom. Everything. Mom. Everything, mom. Best friend, mom. Struggling.
Sometimes I
Like
fucking
that.
hate her though.
Bro, like
Sometimes I
seriously.
love her.
Man, listen. Oh, you got, hold on.
She's the only person that could get me to that point where I just want to. Oh my God.
But hold on. I'm gonna respect everybody answer, but y'all, you didn't hear my guy answer right here.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah. Like, you heard it. I said, Mom, you say what? Struggling.
My mom was struggling. That's not
I'm just saying, like, even when she was, it had an effect on you.
And she wasn't showing it though.
Yeah, she's strong.
My mom don't need it. She got 2 kids.
Yeah.
My mom got 13.
Dang, you got a big
And
family.
she taking care of all of them.
No, you got a big family though.
By herself.
Jesus, that's a strong woman. My mom had 7. So we had my mom. Yeah. Hussein, my mom. Best friend. Vic, mom. Say it.
First thing that comes to
Everything.
think about it.
And mom. Huh? Bills. You say bills? Oh wow. Explain that one.
Like every time she get around me, she keeps talking about me.
Oh.
Like, I'm gonna pay it off.
So what? Oh, what that do to you? Stress? Feel bad, like you can't help. Like I want to help her.
Like she getting older, she not getting younger. Like,
Right.
all that thing I see on her face.
Yeah. Wow. Mom, rehab. I like this. Mom, everything. Me, I hated my mom. I hated her. Like we are in a good spot right now. Vic, I'm gonna start with you.
You
Future.
play football, right?
Hold on. Future.
Opportunities.
Future. Right. Future.
Dang, I said
Y'all can't say the same thing somebody else say. I'm like, future. Alright, future. he took y'all where y'all at. I don't know. Future. Flashy. Future. Beautiful. Who? You don't know? And listen, future. Nice.
I was gonna say like somebody said.
Yeah, I know.
Success.
Unpredictable.
That's what that was pretty good.
Yeah, I kind of like that one. Unpredictable. And that's what you see in a lot of young people, like when you ask them to, they're like, I don't know. And here's the thing.
End up making the bill.
You never know. And I'm going to give you the honest statement I can give you. And please take heed to this. Take the risk now while you're young. Whatever you want to try it. Positive though. Positive. Take the risk. Like if you want to be, if it's music, take the risk. Take it serious though. Like don't just dibble and dabble or something. Like if you really want to do it, take the risk and see it. If it's whatever, if it's school, take that risk. Whatever you want to be in life, take that risk. You're gonna find out about life. Let me tell you the honest truth. You're gonna love it, you're not gonna love it.